In order to set up the alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to the clock app. Over here, make sure that you are in alarms, and you should be able to find one pre-made alarm, but you can also create your own one by pressing this plus button over here. Then you can set up the time when the alarm should go off, and then you can also choose days of the week, which should be included, during which the alarm will go off. You can also set up the name of the alarm. You can change the alarm sound. You can also just simply turn off the alarm sound for some reason. You can also manage vibrations. You can edit snooze options and adjust the alarm background. And then we can press save. You can tap on this switcher on the right side in order to easily turn on or turn off the alarm. And in order to edit them, you can press on these three dots here, and then we can press edit. Or actually, if you want to remove them, then we need to go to edit. Then we can select alarms that we want to remove and then press delete all. If you want to customize an alarm, then you can simply tap on it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.